At EnvisionTEC, not only do we invent and manufacture professional-grade 3D printers, we are also hard at work developing and improving materials for use in our state-of-the-art hardware. We also work with material industry leaders that meet the specific needs of clients from a wide array of industries. Our Envision One 3D printer supports an elastomeric photocurable resin. The high resilience and excellent tensile strength of this material allow you to make actual end-use parts, such as gaskets, tubing, and ergonomical items. Powered by the Envision One, this material allows you to make your elastic designs a reality. Powered by Henkel Loctite.